Hello guys, welcome to automationqahub.com. So today we will talk about how to install Java and how to install the Eclipse. Right. So for installing the Java, just we need to open the google.com and here you have to type download JDK. So depends on the version. So if you want to install JDK 1.8, then you can just type it. Otherwise just I'm going to install the JDK 1.8. So I am clicking here. Now click on the first link. So here you will see the two flavor of the particular two versions 151 and 152 of the JDK 8. So here I would recommend just you can download this one. So just you have to click here and now you have to click on the particular Java uh, JDK version based on your system. So first of all, you need to check your system configuration. If your system, click on the right click on the property of my computer, and here you can check your system property. My system is 64-bit operating system. It means I need to download 64-bit Java. So just click on this link. Now it will be start downloading. So here you can see. So now I'm clicking here pause because I have already downloaded. So just go to the download folder, E drive, Selenium software. So I have already downloaded. So here you can see the file. This is JDK 8U152 Windows 64. Just you have to right click on that file and click on run as administrator. Click on as. So just wait, it will take a couple of minutes to install. So now it is asking for the clicking on next button. Yes. Now click on next again. So it will take around few seconds to complete it. Meanwhile, I am pausing this video. Okay, so now it is asking for the change the destination folder for the JRE installation, because this particular setup will install JDK and JRE both. So JDK has been installed. Now it is going to install the JRE and asking for the path. So what I am doing here, so just I am going, because my software is 64 bits, so it will be installed in C program files. So just I am going to Java folder here, and here I need to select this folder and click on okay. So it is the same. So I need to go here again, and under the Java folder here you have to create make new, and just you can give the name like JRE8 and click on OK, and just then click next. Now JRE is going to install. Just wait couple of seconds. Now you can see here you this is close button is available, right? So just click on close. Now your Java has been installed. Now we have to verify that like Java is successfully installed on our local machine or not. So what you have to do, just go here and type cmd. Open the command prompt and type the command java space hyphen version. Click enter. Now here you can see like Java version 1.8.0 hyphen underscore 152 is available. So this is the one way. Another way, what you can do, just go to the C drive and go to the program file, because you have installed the Java 64-bit. So under program files, you can see the Java folders available and with two folder JDK and JRE. Okay. So suppose if you have opened the Java command prompt and you have typed Java space hyphen version, and if you're not getting this message, it means Java is not detected by your operating system. So what you have to do at that in that case, you have to configure the environment variable. So I'm going to show you how to configure the environment variable. So right click on my computer, go to properties, click on advanced system setting here and click on environment variable, and now here just click new and give the name Java underscore home, and here you have to give the path of JDK. So he go here and just open this folder and just copy this path and you need to paste here. Just click OK. So your variable is created, and you can also create the one more environment variable, but it is not necessary. JRE underscore home, and now you have to give the path of JRE as well. So here you can give the path, you can copy this path, you can paste it here. So now you have created two environment variable. Now this time you need to add this path and in path variable. So just you have to select the path and click on edit. So I am copying this all the content and just I am opening the notepad and I am pasting here. Right here, what I have to do, just you have to use the percent java underscore home percent backslash bin, then again percent java underscore sorry jre underscore home percent backslash bin. Now you have to copy all these and go to here and you have to delete this and add this command. Click OK. So now click OK and click OK. Now what you have to do, just open the command prompt again, cmd, and you have to type java space hyphen version. Now this time you will see the, like you can see Java is detected by the operating system. So now our Java is successfully installed. Now we need to install the Eclipse now. So for the installation of the Eclipse, we need to just go to the Google, and here we have to type Eclipse, download Eclipse, download Eclipse. So here you can also mention like for what Java version you want it. So you can type Java 8 64-bit. So just you can select this option, click here, click on the first link and go here. Like you can see the multiple options are available, right? So what you can do, just you can download based on your system requirements 32-bit or 64-bit. So I have downloaded 64-bit. Just click on that link. So now downloading is started. So I'm clicking on browse button because I've already downloaded. So just you need to, after downloading, so just you have to go here and I have stored this particular Eclipse here, Eclipse, this one. So this is 32-bit, so I have downloaded 64-bit as well. um, this one is a 64-bit. So what you have to do, just right click and you have to extract extract to Eclipse JLona this particular folder. So once you will be extracted this, then you will find it you will see in folder uh, 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 okay, like this. So now you have to double click on this particular Eclipse icon here. So just double click. Because Eclipse, you don't need to install the Eclipse. Just you have to extract the zip file, and you have to click on that particular Eclipse icon, and now it is asking for the select workspace. So what you have to do, you have to create a workspace where you want to store all the Java code. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to E drive, and now here I'm going to create a new folder like Selenium Java code. So I have created one folder. Now I will point this particular folder here, E drive. mm, where is Selenium Java code, and click OK. So it will open. Just wait. It will take around 2 or 3 more seconds because it is opening first time. So it is configuring everything like where Java is located, something. So now it has been opened here. So just close this welcome icon. Now here you can see the 4 pane. So these 2 pane you need to minimize because right now we don't have use of these 2 pane. So here we need to create first Java program so that we can verify like our Eclipse and Java compatibility is working. So here what we need to just create new project, select Java project and click on next button, and here you have to pass the project name. So just I'm writing test Java, and here you can see like it is already automatically detected our Java version, right? So it is picking Java 8, Jari 8. So just you need to click on finish button here. So just click no. So now here you on left panel under the project explorer you can see test Java project is created, and once you will expand this particular folder you will see the src and jre system library. It's already automatically um, picked the Java library here. So what you have to do now, just right click on src and select new class. Now you have to write the class name here. So I'm giving the class name like Java 1, and you have to check here public static void main as well. Click on finish. So here you can see the particular code here. So now here you have to write syso control space. So it will type the system out.println. This command is used for generally if you want to print something. So I want to print here automation QA hub, and just click on control S. It will save. Then just you need to run it here. Just click on this button and you will see the output here now. Now you can see the output here, automation QA hub is printed. So it means we can say that our Java and Eclipse installation have been completed successfully. So that's all in this video, and in next video we will talk about the WebDriver installation. Thanks a lot. Thank you.